Welcome to part 2 of the Power Player Paradigm Challenge. Today we are talking about stage 2 of P3, which is momentum. So now that you have set a firm foundation in the ownership stage, it is time to build that momentum. Maybe you've had this experience where you've had something great happen to you in your career. Maybe you signed with an agent that you thought was great, or you had a booking that you thought was going to be just career changing for you, and then nothing. Just nothing happens. Okay, this is a story that I hear really often, and it can be extremely frustrating. So once you get to the point where you're booking paid work, you're a member of your union or a guild, or you're at least eligible, maybe you've started with a starter level agent or manager, we've got to keep that momentum going. And one of the ways we do that in the table is by crafting a monthly marketing plan. This marketing plan gives you a structure that you revisit regularly so you know exactly how to spend your time. So the mantra for the momentum stage of P3 is, every purposeful action I take brings me closer to my artistic vision. So one actor's plan is not the same as any other actor's because it all depends on your passions and your interests and your goals. So keep an eye out. I'm going to be teaching a free class very soon where I walk you through the process of creating your customized marketing plan. So your action item for now is to make a list of the things you're currently doing for your acting career. And then we're going to fill in the blanks of what's missing and make sure everything's in alignment for your specific goals and your specific artistic mission during the class. All right, so I'll see you next time. We're going to talk about stage 3 of the Power Player Paradigm, which is leadership. Leadership is one of my core values, and I can't wait to share why I believe it is super important for actors. So get to work on those action items, and I'll see you soon.